I made the man a Starby. He's drinking a grande caramel macchiato with oat milk, cinnamon dolce, extra caramel drizzle, vanilla syrup, and cinnamon.
I almost said we just want a coffee. That's it, you know? That's it.
3 shots of espresso. So I told him if his heart starts, I'm off duty. Nurse Mel is not present. I have a croissant. Turkey and Swiss. This croissant look mad small though, like they shrunk it down. Still good though. This good. It's bad for real. This good, this bad. Only in Jamaica. Good and bad have the same meaning.
No, bad. Say bad, man. Give a stronger meaning to yo, this bad, brother. Compared to yo, this is good. It's really good.
Yeah, dude, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is MelisaMarie. I do lifestyle nursing and travel content.
I wanna take a little piece of that. Just give me permission to walk in. Cause any whining girl, I don't want to interrupt you. Ever since I left the city, you and me, we just don't get along. You made me feel like I did you wrong. Going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city, you got exactly what you asked for. Running out of places they gon' pay for. Became your friend. On my ears became your ears. You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone.
Bottle 2,527 naturally, but if you get the Jamaican brand, spotless liquid bleach, 557.
Knowing that hotline bling, that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Cause ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor. Hanging with some girls I never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone.
They in a Costco though, Sam's Club, BG, but them call it Price Mart still. So much. That's the smallest one. We are cooking real quick. Just put on some water to boil. I'm going to be making pasta. This is hotting up. Just cutting up some onions, some bell pepper. I didn't feel like dicing up the garlic, so honestly I just kind of, you mash them down. And then I just got a delivery from Loshusan because y'all know me and my deliveries. If I don't have to go outside and do it myself, I'm not going to. So yeah, we just got a few things, nothing crazy. Almond milk for my protein powder, almond milk for my cereal, vanilla unsweet for the cereal, and regular vanilla for the protein. This Ensure protein plant-based, want to try it though. Breadcrumbs, because I plan to make meatballs, but honestly I don't know if I will. I might just make meat sauce. I truly don't feel like it. This is going to be my sleeping arrangements for the weekend. I set up my futon. It's cool, it's cool. It's a full scrub down the place. Pop. And then for the girls, when they come, they'll be in here. Washcloth, face towel, and regular towel. 2 sets. Yeah, I'm excited. Hopefully it's good. Hopefully we have a good time. Winding down now. It's kind of late. It's not that late actually. It's just been a long day. 6 loads of laundry. I got Mega Mart, Price Mart, Mechanic. So I'm exhausted. I got no homework done today. So you already know I'm gonna have to prioritize that tomorrow at some point. So I set up brand new fresh sheets and everything like that, and set the bed up. I said, all right, it's good for tomorrow. I'm not ever gonna touch it, so they can be confident to have a fresh setup. And I'm just going to sleep OT on the futon and put on one murder mystery or put on one show or something.
See for a long time, you know? Wanna follow my family, I'm say, alright. Go through, man.
Girls are here. Round.
Okay, this is like a model stairway. So what's the hours for the pool? I mean, I'm so used to the American way. I like it. This is some America's Next Top Model shit.
Hey, yo. I'm about to feel myself, yo.
That runway thing and they had the feathers and stuff that was walking with.
I'm crying. Giving them a little something, something.
Birthday coming up.
Different you. No, man. This light. That man said this light.
No, because it's mixed.
I want to see that shit.
And Will. Wait, vlog. I didn't even introduce my folks. Well, you know Delina already from way back when. You actually met Dania.
Oh, you actually
You did nursing school. This is nursing school, Nia. You actually do know her. The rice is amazing. My Starbucks I'm always at, but guys, we're at Fontana. Yes. All right, let me find eye drops. Like a moisture thing. I wear contacts and I need like a, not red eye, like a regular artificial tear. Them are the exact same ingredients. It's okay. I got this one. Happy here? Okay. Thank you. Oh, grab some liquor and some snacks, and then I'll be on the way. I'm so sleepy. I don't know how I'm gonna survive tonight. Baby, I'm crying.
Yes. Baby Jack chicken.
I was running through the 6 with my woes. You know how that shit. First of all,
Chicken with my woes.
tearing this dirt chicken up. But first of all, it's not even spicy. Brother, my nose is running like hell.
I love it, bread.
Sinus is cleared up, but I can't stop because it's really good.
No, literally. That's how I feel. I'm like, I want another piece, but I don't feel like taking myself through there.
I'm an old hag. I done popped a lot of bottles in my life.
I'm giving old lady, which is ironic.
Oh, bumper. 31 day party in the
Day
crib.
party.
This is the best day party. If we could just put on some music, this is it.
I feel like she's just staring at us a little more.
Scotch bonnet? Wait, no? Hey, hello. Not you having attitudes about Scotch bonnet.
Why is that singularly
Nia.
on the flight by itself?
Make it up. Delina said I am disinterested. We just went to dinner at Miss Luna. It was so cute, guys.
Dinner was so cute.
That booth's next door. We're ready. Let's
Crying.
go.
Okay, we got a Terramana Queen to my right. We got a Patron Queen to my left. And we got the real Queen in the middle. Ray and nephew.
Not the real queen.
So.
Anybody been drinking alcohol for 7 years straight?
Your birthday girl. This my fucking baby. Hold on, wait.
I like the separation though. The chicken thing. Guys, we're at Rock.
You gotta show people what you've been getting.
The girls are
even though you
outside.
Getting that better one. Yeah, I'm
You gonna be okay?
Yeah.
I trained them well.
No.
I trained. Now, countryman, you fake. Which country? Which part? Sienton?
All the people put water in there.
Ah. No?
It's that fish
White
fix
folks
that
here.
I needed.
Or not.
They said it was
Oh
small.
my god, look at the little baby cocoa bread. It's different.
just
She's
more
open.
open-minded, yeah.
she'll swallow and you won't.
Swallow.
And after my throat go, she be open.
What?
Wait, now you came in for the
Keep
wrong
it ignoring everything else now.
Yeah.
Keep finally what's up. She's definitely more food oriented because she likes food.
Yeah.
Me too. She rolled out her tongue.
Shalong out her tongue. What that mean?
Oh, I don't know.
Listen to the words though.
You use it?
Shalong out her tongue. Think about it. I said she long out her tongue. Think about the context we just said.
What's that?
She more
I'm
open
trying to.
with her
I've been
palate.
giving patois lessons for 10 years. I'm tired. He goes. He was saying.
No,
you gotta
make it better.
She long with her tongue, like
No. Keep going.
She
Keep
talks
thinking about
a
it. No, keep thinking about it.
She pushes out her tongue.
pushes out.
At lunch. It would be. Yeah.
She's sticking her tongue out.
Her?
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
Exactly.
Oh, that did it for her.
I'm telling you, I've been giving lessons for like 10 years.
See, I'm saying. I was like, real subtle.
Yeah, real subtle. Yeah.
Well,
But it doesn't make it any less annoying.
sometimes they.
Honeymoons are just actually no, not honeymoons. I'm old. Yeah, so
As you walk, I'm looking. Trust me, there's nowhere else to look.
I'm just
You're
trying
the apple of my eye.
That's a damn lie. Your apple changes every few minutes. New apple. Ooh.
You like them green, yellow, red, but you like all apples.
Yeah, all the fucking apples. New apple loading. Look at the waterfall wall. It's so pretty.
Okay, Massacre. Yes. My song. I did raise you.
Wait, come. Now go on with the thing though. Man, I count in real time.
The pepper, fiery.
All right, wait. Mama say 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 4.
May I give 6? May I give 6? Yeah, you're not. No, I'm not talking about could do better. Just missed the man right on the sidewalk. There's nowhere to go.
Yeah, I don't know.
Literally nowhere to go. Today is a special day. It is my boyfriend's birthday. So yep, we're both April babies. Because you know all the best people were born in April. And that's a fact. Do you feel 29?
Well, physically, yes. Extension with me until the mornings.
I love to cut myself, so please God, not today. One next day. Thank you very much. I mean, you see how I live my life. I can't help it. My body wants to be in shape. I try my very best. Two things can be true.
Yeah, that is a signature statement. Two things can be true.
Because they can. Sing to me. Breakfast is served though. make some stewed chicken. Well, actually, it was seasoned from yesterday, but prepped and everything like that. Ooh, that sound like that bus a little bit. Well, go on, guys. I look absolutely insane, of course, but I'm in peak study mode. I have one more exam to complete. I did my pharmacology fundamentals final today, and I passed barely. I got a 77, so that was 154 points out of 200. So not the best, but I needed to get at least a 70%, and I got a 77. So we're taking what we can get here. Okay, I'm not complaining. Doing some review for my next exam, which is going to be advanced pathophysiology. I'm going to do it probably tomorrow around noon. Haven't decided yet, but so far I feel okay about it. I always study with lo-fi music, or I put on actual music, but I just cannot study in silence. Like, studying in silence is not a thing for me. Typically, with a class like this, I like to do some physical writing because the writing helps with memorization for me. I'm highlighting the key points that I find to be important enough that I want to pop out to me when I do my final review again. Suppose I want to add female likely to induce. I'm just making up something, but you know, if I want to write or anything, like, I love it. That's for sure. But I'm gonna go ahead and continue. I have a few more pages. Wait, let me see. 36 of 42. 6 more pages. So, yep. And yes, I have a desk, but I tend to study like cozy and like in fetal position. I study in my bed a lot. I'm almost always in my bed studying. So I just like to be cozy. So I'm just going to keep it how I like it, you know? Cortisol, hypercortisolism, Cushing syndrome. Adrenal tumor or ectopic ACTH. Cortisol promotes glucogenesis, protein breakdown, fat. Buffalo hump. Purple striae, thin skin, easy bruising. Stones, bones, groans, stones, psychiatrical tone. Stones, bones, groans. Stones, bones, groans, stones, psychiatrical tone. Okay, so you guys are getting a glimpse into my very, very, very exciting Friday night. I'm overdue for a facial, massage, nails. I gotta get my nails done. I was going to be flying to San Francisco for a quick contract, a 3-day contract, but I got canceled, so that's fine. I know some persons who are just getting into like strike nursing and things like that, they don't really understand how it's supposed to work, and you cannot have an emotional attachment to these strikes. These nurses are fighting for what they deserve, and if at any instance the union comes to terms with what they want and can give it to them, that's the best scenario, okay? Not for us, but for them, and I love that for them. And a lot of times they cannot even afford to not work, so imagine they're striking, they're not getting paid while they're striking, they are not getting any income, and a lot of persons are living paycheck to paycheck, especially in this economy. So I'm never super upset about a strike not happening. That's a lie. Sometimes I'll be really, really hoping for it. I'm like waiting on it. So sometimes it's really disappointing, but for the most part, I'm just saying, because I never factor it in. I don't kind of put it in my budget and say this is like secure, guaranteed money. I already know that strikes come and go, and it's not, you know, it's not always. Maybe I should do a video on strike nursing. You guys want me to do a video on like what's it like doing strikes, and maybe I should. I'm gonna go ahead and lock in, and then we'll see. I know Babe said that he wants to go out because he thinks I need a break, and also he wanted to celebrate me passing my exam today, but I said might as well wait until tomorrow, because what if I fail tomorrow? He's like, when you pass, we'll go out, which is true. I should speak into existence positive. And so yeah, tomorrow maybe we'll go out or something, but I don't really want to do anything tonight. I'll see you guys probably tomorrow. Probably I won't vlog again until after my exam, so I'll let you guys know how it goes. Y'all have not moved. We be all night long. I'm gonna give myself another 30 minutes and then I'm gonna go for